This week, we'll talk about ordering a FastTrack report and dashboard. Later, we'll go into a more in-depth of the actual functionality of a FastTrack report. But for now, we'll just do a quick walkthrough. First thing you're going to do is hit the plus button, order Geomni data package. You'll put in the claim that you're trying to order here at the top. And scroll down, notice you have the three options. However, when you're ordering a FastTrack report, you do have to order a Geomni property in order for the functionality to be available. Review your product summary, project name, make sure all your information is correct. Review the order. Once it comes back, it will come here at the top. Notice it will have the return status, and at the bottom, you'll have the FastTrack functionality icon. FastTrack allows you to go into a more in-depth look at what the house is going to look like after it's finished. This will help with your customer interactions, making it a little bit easier for the homeowner to visualize exactly what their house will look like.